what industries are going to be first from a manufacturing perspective that we can actually compete successfully, and do we need trade tariffs in order to succeed on the competitive landscape?
So I think there's two really important points. One is there's industries that we have to reshore, specifically in defense. We have to produce submarines and ships and munitions. We have to produce things like rare earth magnets and drones. We just have to do it. The tariffs really help, and this trade policy is really important because you've got to understand that, yes, China is more competitive than us, but the CCP also nationally subsidizes the cost of energy, the cost of raw material. And because we've kind of degraded this capacity, like not having nuclear in the US, like we can't compete on those raw inputs. So it'll start with our most critical industries first, but I think as AI goes through manufacturing, you'll create millions of jobs, and that will allow us to reshore more commercial volume, not just in defense. And I think that's the most important thing.
And you've talked about this like degrading, sort of infrastructure and what that means in terms of workforce, but then how reshoring also requires this like upskilling. I know you guys had this like associate named Owen that you guys took, I think, like literally straight out of Home Depot. Can you like give us a little bit of his story and just like what that represents in terms of you guys upskilling labor?
It's really incredible. So as I said in the presentation, 100% of our people have never set foot inside a factory before. And I think we really didn't do a great job as a nation by convincing everyone they needed a 4-year college degree to have a really good job. And we've hired people that, packing shelves at Home Depot. Now they're running 10 machines at once. And actually what we are seeing is that most of those people, when they're exposed to software or AI, they're very smart. And we've promoted a lot of those people into leadership, management, or software engineering roles. And I think reindustrialization with AI is about creating new jobs, but also reattaching people to the Silicon Valley economy and not just having it on the coasts and the cities.